Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, SqFt Realty, part of the Johnson Group, out here at 140 Jepson Way. This home is a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 2,260 square feet. It is in Savannah Quarters. It's a great location, kind of on the edge of Pooler and Savannah, really close to everything that Pooler has to offer. One of the best parts of living here is really close to 16 and 95, so you can get anywhere in our state, of course, but you can go to Jacksonville. I mean, it's very easy to get anywhere from here. And then it's right by the Costco, right by a Cookie Crumble, right by the Publix, so it has everything that Pooler has to offer. And then you go just a little bit down the road and you get into everything Pooler has to offer. Plus, the good thing here is you don't really have to deal with the traffic. So this is a good side of Pooler. I really like this area. So let's check out this home. Okay, so here's the front of the home, as you can see, and it's a beautiful day in Savannah. Just want to kind of give you a swing of the entire neighborhood of what's going on here. They're building over here. Now, you see a 2-car garage in the front. You got the siding on there, vinyl siding. I love this porch area right here. Good place to hang out, drink coffee, all that good stuff. And then you got this, as soon as you come in, look at this area. It's kind of like, I would say, like a front room. You can make it like a, maybe a den or a formal living room area. It's right from the front door. We do like that laminate floors, as you can see. Okay, a big space right here. And it leads right into half bath right there, as you can see, very nice. And then you come over here. You don't want to miss the garage, as you can see. All right. And then I don't want to miss this either. Since we're here, let's get this going. Oh, let me see. There we go. Let there be light. There's your closet for your coats and stuff, and you come in here. Now this is a wide open space. Look at this. Let me just start from this side. So if you're looking for a wide open concept, yeah, this will give it to you right there. So you can see the laminate floors. There's no carpet on the ground floor, which is great. Let's start with the kitchen. You got the granite countertops right here, as you can see. Love that. Dark brown, okay? So just keep that in mind. Okay, so if you want to buy this home and it's not quite available anymore, because this one is available right now, but you can get something exactly like this from Mungo Homes. I haven't done very many Mungo Homes, so it's actually, I'm kind of happy to come out here because it's, you know, always with the D.R. Horton homes, you know, they all kind of look the same, just like Mungo kind of all looks the same. Landmark, they all got their base plans. Let's check out this pantry right there. That's a decent sized pantry. And then they got this closet right here, which you could make another pantry or keep your cleaning supplies or something right off the kitchen. And then what I do love is that, like, you're in the kitchen and you can see the entire living room. Like, there is no doubt. Look at that, and the sliding glass doors right there. A lot of light, not right now, but as the sun goes down, you get a ton in the afternoon. But I mean, what could you put in this gigantic room right here? I mean, I'm envisioning maybe, actually, you know what? This room over here, you could make this your formal dining room if that's what you really want to do. So that's a possibility. But yeah, I mean, you can fit anything in here. Now we're at the top of the stairs, as you can see, and you come into this lofted area. Like a nice space here. I mean, this is just, it could be another kind of like your upstairs living room if you want to do. Playroom. Let me go in this corner right here. Just show you what you got to work with here. Carpeted upstairs, as you can see. it is. All right, let's go to the primary bedroom first. So I think that's what everybody wants to see. This in the kitchen, beautiful yard. All right, so here we go. Primary bedroom, tray ceilings up top. As you can see, carpeted all the way through, wide open. This is about, I would say, almost, this is the size of the living room for sure. I'm glad I got a great day for filming. The past couple of videos, we've been dealing with some rain. So these beautiful homes that we were filming, really couldn't get the best footage you could possibly get. But today's been a great day. So I figured I'd come out and do some filming for you. Got some quartz countertops right there, just so you know what that is. Laminate flooring on the wet parts of the upstairs. Big shower, as you can see. I mean, you can fit any size person you want in there. And then this closet, like, it's the size of a bedroom. Now you see all this blue tape on the wall and stuff like that. That means this is quality control. That's what they do to make sure that they, you know, after the people that put up the drywall, all these like built-in stuff, you got people that come through and look at what they've done and then mark it for fixing. So they're trying to do their best to give you the best product possible. I love that. I've been through several blue tape walkthroughs, is what it's called. You know, you do that probably a week or two before you close on your home. And then you as the customer, client, come in and you guys can do it as well. So not only do you have me helping you, contractors helping you, salesperson helping you, but you also get a chance to do it yourself, so that's fantastic. Let's go to the other rooms. You don't want to miss this, laundry room upstairs. All the rooms upstairs, so having the laundry room upstairs is pretty phenomenal because you don't have to bring your clothes downstairs where it gets, you know, left in piles and stuff. Once again, here's the loft. I'm gonna come and check out this room right here. King size bed, no problem. As you can see, carpeted. It says Savannah Quarters is a great spot. Even in here, you can also, if you want to, join the club to the other part of Savannah Quarters. So this is what they call not behind the gates, and there's a Savannah Quarters part that's behind the gates. Price points in there are pretty, is a lot higher than in here, in this area that's not behind the gates, but you can have access to their clubhouses, all that stuff. You just obviously got to pay a fee. So here's a linen closet right here at the end of the hallway. If you don't know where we're at right now, this is where the loft is. All right, and on the other side, which I do love, is that the two rooms are not on the same side as the primary bedroom, which I love that. All right, check that out. Okay. Coming to this closet right here. Boom. Let's get carpet in the bedrooms. Love it. All right, there we go. Now let's go outside. Actually, nope. Don't want to miss this bathroom first. Hold up. Before we do that, let's get this bathroom. Kind of quartz countertop, same kind of deal. All right. There's a little seat area right there. If you like to, you know, fix yourself up with a chair, you could do that. You got your shower tub combo, and then of course your toilet right there, and then yeah. So let's go outside. Now we're leaving the kitchen area, and then we're going outside. As you can see right there, that is 95 behind 140 Jepson Way. That's all right. Yard is big. All this stuff will be cleaned up, as you can see. But you don't have to buy this particular one. They're making more. So this is what it looks like, okay? You can have one of these built out here, and it doesn't have to be one that's right there. So So I kind of want to tell you guys about the incentives going out here with Mungo Homes in the Savannah Quarters. Not for one, not only can you go to the Savannah Quarters amenity area, which is separate from this side, the stuff behind the gates, but also if you use their preferred lender, there's a couple things that they do for you in SqFt Mortgage. First thing they'll do for you if you use SqFt, they'll give you $3,500 in closing cost incentive. But also Mungo's kicking in $10,000 in closing cost incentives or use it your way money. So the good thing is if you use SqFt and buy a home with Mungo, that's $13,500 you can use towards your closing costs, or you can buy down the rate to 4.99 for the life of your loan, which is incredible, especially when rates right now are for conventionals hovering around 7.01. For the VA or VA or FHA, they're having around 6.46. So you're talking about almost a point or a percentage and a half difference in your interest rate. Guys, if you have any questions about this area, just give me a call at 912-657-3544. See what Savannah Quarters has to offer for you. All right, talk soon. Bye.